Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this neon outline effect in CapCut PC. Select your video and go to effects, and you're going to search for neon outline. Just going to add this to the video itself. Go to filters, or I think you can just go to adjustments here. No, okay. Actually, I'm just going to do that first so I can see more of that. But I'm going to add in another adjustment on top of it. Turn down the saturation like so. And I will go to effects and add in an edge glow. If I can just type that correctly. Just going to apply it to the main video. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Well, actually, I do need to add a color that I want first. So let's just go to background and find one. You can use like a gradient one if you'd like to, like this one as well. I might do that. Just a saturation, go to video, basic, blend mode, and select linear burn. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. If it's not glowy enough, add another edge glow to it. I can just drag it in like so. Select the video, go to the blend mode, and then you're going to select screen or brighten. Okay, select brighten and go back to your video, and I'm just going to make the brightness a little bit darker. It works better with other like dark videos, but I'm just going to select this keyframe, and then like here I'm just going to like make it so you can't really see the glow anymore. Then I'm going to add in a fade out animation, so I'm just going to go here and I'm going to add in a fade out animation. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.